Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a eyelash tutorial, how to put on fake eyelashes, and I'm going to be using the style So Me by Azeredo Cosmetics. I just purchased these. If you want to see how I put on my fake eyelashes, then just keep on watching. I'm putting on mascara first before I apply the lashes. Getting at my tweezers. I'm going to just see if I need to cut them. Okay, that looks pretty good, so we're gonna try it. So I just get some glue and I apply it with a Q-tip. The very edge. Okay, so I use my tweezers and I go from the top down. So I just go, I hold my mirror down here and go from the top and just place it right above my eyelashes. And then use my tweezers to put it where it needs to go. Now also I need to say I'm not a pro at this, so I kind of suck at this. And then I just push them together, like my eyelashes and the fake lashes. I use my finger and I just pinch them together. So I'm just gonna run some liner over the lash band. Alright guys, so that completes my eyelash tutorial, how to put on my fake eyelashes. That was pretty rough, and this video is pretty rough. So I'm really sorry, but I just wanted to get something up today. And if you have any recommendations or any questions or anything, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see when I post next, and give my video a thumbs up down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!